Okay, so we're going to attempt the questions, and I will do the solutions live. If I need to, I will bring up my formula sheet and look at any questions I've got there. So you'll find that in back of a lot of the exam papers. That's the formula sheet you're given. Um, so let's rock and roll. Let's do question one. So select the right answer for the values of your actions at B and D. Got various solutions here. Notice that some of them have got busy water minus, and some of them got plus. So we have got weights on top. Doesn't look like this thing's toppling or anything like that. So one would guess it should just be plus answers. So some of these answers are the same, but some of these are different. So these are the sort of things you could look out for when you're trying to find a solution. Pause the video and see if you can find an answer. And when you're ready, I will give it a go. So what I would probably do to try and answer this would be to take moments at B, go around clockwise, and see what I get there, and then take moments at D, go around clockwise again. So start with B. So notice I want to make these UDLs into concentrated loads. So this is 100 kilonewtons per meter. So we've got 2 meters of that. So that's the equivalent of 200. The middle of it will be there. This is 150. Got 1 meter of it, so we're only going to end up with 150. And the middle of that will be halfway there, so that would be 150 there. So we take moments using these two concentrated loads. What we're going to get? So we're only going to get the 150 here. So 150. What's its length? 1 meter, 2 meter. Half of 1 meter will be so a total of 2.5. And then we're going to have this reaction RD going in the opposite sense. So that would be minus 2 times RD equals 0. So RD equals 150 times 2.5 divided by 2. Let's stick that to my calculator. So 150 times 2.5 divided by 2 gives me 187.5, and that's in kilonewtons. And now let's take moments about D. We'll go clockwise again. So we're here. So distance from here to here is half. So we've got 150 times a half. Whoops, times a half. That looks more like a half, isn't it? Ooh, gone red. I was using ballpoint, I suppose. Right, so 150 times a half. Okay. Right, so come all the way round. You can see now that RB is going upwards. So that's going with the clockwise face. So that would be 2 times RB. And this load 200 is coming downwards. So that's minus 2 times 200 equals 0. So my RB will be 400. Take away half of 150, 75. Divide by 2. What's that? So 400. Take away 75. Divide by 2 is 162.5 kilonewtons. And then we could do a check. It seems to work. What's coming down is minus 200, minus 150. What's going up is 187.5 and 162.5. And does that equal 0? Minus 200 minus 150 plus 187.5 plus 162.5, and that equals 0. So that is a check. So 162 and 187 is what I'm looking for. So I would go for this one here. Hopefully you chose C. And is that what I'm going to do? Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do. So hopefully you agree with me. And let's do question 2 next.